When a storm warning hits, the first thing people rush to buy is sandbags. They are the universal symbol of flood defense, appearing on every news channel during hurricane season. But do they actually work as well as we think they do? The short answer is they help, but they aren't waterproof. Sandbags are designed to reduce the speed of water and redirect its path. They essentially filter the water, catching mud and debris, but clear water will eventually seep through the bags if they sit long enough. Effectiveness depends entirely on placement. Simply throwing a few bags against a door won't do much. You need to build a pyramid shape, staggering the layers like bricks, and physically stomp on them to create a tight seal against the ground. Sandbags are a temporary fix for low-level flooding. If the water rises too high or sits for too long, the bags will saturate and fail. They are excellent for diverting a driveway stream, but they won't stop a major flood from entering a home indefinitely. To make them truly effective, use them with heavy plastic sheeting. Laying plastic against the door or wall first, and then weighing it down with sandbags, creates a much stronger, more watertight barrier than using sandbags alone. Even the best defences can be overwhelmed by nature. If water makes it past your barriers, fast extraction is key to saving your home. Contact Gold Coast Flood Restorations